Hello everyone, I'm currently standing on a potato field where modern technology is completely transforming the harvesting process. Right in front of me are massive industrial harvesting machines, moving rhythmically along the potato rows like giant robots. In just seconds, each row of potatoes is lifted from the ground. The soil is sifted away, and the potatoes are sorted and immediately loaded into the containers at the back. It's all automatic, fast, and incredibly precise. Watching these machines in action leaves me in awe. Instead of spending weeks manually harvesting, in just one afternoon, dozens of hectares of potatoes are being collected. This is truly an agricultural revolution, significantly increasing productivity while saving time and labor. Technology is completely changing how we do farming, and I'm witnessing it firsthand here on this very field.